Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the OTOFIX BT1 Lite. It is a car battery checker, oh yeah, with an exclusive adaptive conductance technology. It paired with the battery tester app on our smartphone, for example. And of course, it's possible to dock this on the AutoFix D1 bi-directional car diagnostic tool or the D1 Lite. So you can pair it each other and then you can use it. Or you will use it as standalone version. That's only the BT1 Lite car battery checker, which you can control via an app by using your smartphone or a tablet. The BT1 Lite is a wireless battery and electrical system tester controlled by the battery tester app. Android and iOS is possible. Or OTOFIX tablets are faster, easier test procedures. The BT1 Lite applies an advanced, exclusive battery analysis algorithm, the adaptive conductance. The adaptive conductance produces a more accurate examination of the battery's cold cranking ability and reserve capacity, which is vital to determining a battery's true health status. It's easy. We have a top-level accuracy and a quick test results. Exclusive adaptive conductive algorithm. We provide complete diagnostic for electrical system with automatic database-driven process and battery load tester, car cranking and charging system analysis. It supports fluid, AGM spiral, EFB, GAIL and battery types. And it's really easy to use with the mobile app of the AutoFox BT1 Lite is available for the iOS and Android devices. It could be used with AutoFix D1 and D1 Lite diagnostic tools too. And it's so easy. The only thing you have to choose is built-in or out of the car. Then you use the clamp, red for the red pole or the positive pole, and the black wire and the black clamp for the minus pole. Then you switch the right settings of your battery. That's really important. In this case, you can see it's an AGM, and then you can use the right classification. For example, DIN or EN or SAE or GS. We choose EN and then the 640 ampere. Then you can check it. It's only cost you a couple of seconds, and then you have a right solution to see what's the health status of your battery is B. You can save it to your system, and then you can make a history. Awesome, really awesome. On the device, there are two LEDs. The status LED, green means solid green, the test is connected via USB cable, because it's possible to connect it via the USB cable. Flashing screen, the test is communicating via the USB cable. If it's solid blue, the test is connected via Bluetooth. And flashing blue means the test is communicating via Bluetooth, and flashing red, the battery clamps are connected to the wrong battery terminals. So you have here a possibility that you can clamp it to the wrong battery terminals, but this device can see and feel that and gives you information about that. That's really good. That means you will never clamp the wrong terminals again. And we have a power LED. Solid green, the test is powered on and the battery is sufficiently charged. And flashing green, the test is charging, turns to solid green after its battery is fully charged. Then red, flashing red, the test's battery level is low, so we should reload it, because this tester has battery included. That means it works not only if it is connected to the battery. there's a battery included. The battery is still working if you do not clamp it to the batteries, okay? And of course, you can make an built-in testing. That means all terminals are connected with the car. Then you can go and make a big test thing, so you can clamp it to the red and minus pole, red plus, minus is black. Then you choose your car model. Then in the database on this device or on this app, it will give you an information what battery types you can install in that car. Really good for your garage. Then of course you have to enter the right device settings of it. AGM. Here it is EN standard 680 ampere. And then we can make a big test. That means we can not only make a battery test, we can test more. We can make a cranking test. We can make an alternator test, and of course the battery status health. The package dimensions are 25 to 20 to 6.5 centimeters. The weight is about 0.5 kilogram. The connectivity is in USB 2.0 Type-C. The Bluetooth version is 3.0 BR/EDR+. Version 4.2 LE dual mode. The input voltage is a 5 volt DC. The working current is less than 150 milliampere at 12 volt DC. The CCA range is 100 up to 2000 ampere. The voltage range is from 6 to 36 voltage. So you can see, you can test what it is, tool engines, you can test motorcycle engines, and of course the car engines. The operation temperature itself is from 0 degrees Celsius to 45. The storage temperature from -10 to 60. You have to inspect the battery. Okay, before you start testing, you should check the battery, crackings, bucklings or leaking. If we see one of these defects, we have to replace the battery. Okay, corroded, loose or damaged cables and connectors, we have to repair or replace as needed. And corrosion on the battery terminals and dirt on the acid on the case top. We clean the case and the terminals using a wire brush and a mixture of water and baking soda. We wear protective glasses and gloves when working with batteries. That's really important. Then we power up. We scan the QR code or search for battery test in App Store or Google Play Store and download and install the app to our device. Then, of course, we have to enter, or we make an account on it. Then after this, we can enter into our work process. Then we open the battery test app, and it's really easy that to connect it, connect the battery with, not the battery, connect the app with the battery tester, the OTOFIX BT1. And because on the OTOFIX BT1 Lite is a QR code on the back side. This QR code we are going to scan, then it will pairs automatically via our Bluetooth network. We long press the power button to turn on the BT1 Lite. We enable the Bluetooth on our device. We pair it, and then it can goes up to the connection to the red clamp of the positive terminal and the black clamp the negative terminal. Then we are ready to make dump tested. That's really easy while using the OTOFIX BT1 Lite, which comes from Autel. And you will ever see when or do you have to replace your battery? Is the life good? Is it bad? And if it's bad, of course you have to replace it. But you can see in all of my batteries, it's really good, so I can hold that batteries in my vehicle. That's cool, that's easy, and it's reliable because it's a long range of testers. Then a lot of battery types are supported AGM, the standard fluted, the HM spiral, the FB, the gear battery types, all of them. And then, of course, you have to enter the right DIN or ES forms, and then it will make all automatically. It's really easy to perform this. It's a nice analytic tool to analyze our battery health status. And on top, our cranking test. And on top, there's more, because we can check our alternator or our alternator that this device is running good. And it runs really good. It's ready to connect, because the only thing you have to use is your smartphone, for example, or your tablet. And on the tablet you have a camera system, so scan the OTOFIX QR code on the backside, and it will be enabled, and it will be connected and paired easily. That's fast, that's easy, that's good for your garage and your workshop every day. That it is. The BT1 Lite is a wireless battery and electrical system tester controlled by the battery tester app, or the AutoFix tablet, or for faster, easier test procedures on our workshop. The app itself is easy. You can see a history. You can see what tests you have been in the past. It's easy, and in different types of languages available, and then you can go out and have fun with that. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.